Welcome back for another week of QBO tips. Short, simple, easy one this week. How often are you entering just a single transaction into QBO? If you're like me, not very often. So just a little thing to speed things up. If you're entering a transaction, invoice, bill, check, doesn't matter. You'll see a lot of these little upside down triangles like you see next to save and close here. If you click those upside down triangles, you get more options. In this case, we can do save and new, which keeps us on the expense screen, and we can just quickly add another expense here, and on and on and on until we need to save and close, and then our expense screen comes back up. Saves you some time for it going out, coming back up here to the quick create and doing another expense. Just a little time saver out there for you. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.